Okay, this is a tree that just fell, and randomly, because there was too much snow on it. What's the date?
October 29th.
October 29th.
In Connecticut.
Yeah.
Snowing.
The whole tree just like split in half.
So you can see the whole tree.
And fell right, and we were standing right over here next to that post. And
I'll keep you updated.
we almost got hit by it. And it's kind of hanging on the wire.
The power is going down.
Our house just kind of lost power for a minute. And we might lose power for it because of it. But I've never seen this happen from just a little snow being on a little branch. And we've heard a couple other trees break a little, like 3 more. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe, guys. See ya. Over there is Frosty. You can't. Right over there is Frosty.
Yeah,
and this is part 2. 2 more trees fell that we witnessed. One was way over there in the woods where. Hold on, yeah, hold it right there. Just hold it right there. And one right actually in the woods when we were in there fell. So now here we're gonna go and look at the tree that fell that we saw that we're gonna show. Because we're not gonna show the one in the woods because yeah, and I'm kind of holding an umbrella here to get the camera not wet. And it's like the snow is really moist. So it fell up there. Alex, can you help hold it? Kind of hold it where it's coming from, like that. Yeah. Okay. So it fell right up there. You can't really see the brick, I don't know, but it fell up in that area, and it fell right over here, actually. Right here. This huge branch. Right there.
Looking back though.
All that. And then that's one, and then there's another one way back here. Well, no, that's just standing up, I guess. But you got all this right here, and that, it's kind of amazing.
Look at that. Over there.
Horizon way up there, really snowy.
Oh yeah, we guys,
That's big. It's split right through the middle there.
Like an M16.
Yeah.
Firing.
So guys, thanks for watching. We might be getting more on this. Bye.